Okay, good day class. This will be your recorded discussion for your technical graphics TG113 AutoCAD basics for the finals term of the subject. So we'll be having part by part discussion on this session so that you'll be able to obtain the basics of this software. So we have here our outline of discussion. So we have lesson number one. So let's have interface, setting up of the AutoCAD, controls, the important menu. You will be managing shortcut keys, the basics of the tools and document window, snap, F8 and F3. So technically all the layers will be manually input as well. Basic commands and tools. So from the drawing tools, the modifying tools, and the annotation tools, we'll be discussing each and every one of them so that on the latter part of our term, you'll be able to obtain the skills you will be needing for every plate. Okay? So at the end part of this discussion, we'll be having some useful tools such as block, array, plotting, and print so that we'll be able to print our output. And then the last part of this discussion will be the activity number one, on which you will be able to obtain the step-by-step tutorial on how you will be working on your title block that you will be using as well on every activity, every exercise, and every plate that we will be having on the technical graphics up to the end of this final term. Okay? So all of this will be discussed again on a staggered basis. You will be needing to watch every recorded, and this outline of discussion is just an introduction on which ano ba yung mga dapat ninyong pag-aralan for this AutoCAD basics. So we'll be having the interface, setting up of the AutoCAD and controls on the next video.